Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Ford Ranger XL single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5174. This shape runs from the 6-month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right hand headlight, left hand headlight. Left guard has one large dent, left door has a small dent and a large scrape style dent. Left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Spare wheel with an average tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-switch type. This vehicle's fitted with black clock interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.